video tutorial. We will try these options here. We will add some changes around it. So we are going to create these shapes in a bulk and make the clones for it. So we will add that designs